In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Facebook account if it has been disabled. So your Facebook account can get disabled for many reasons, if it's a fake account, or if you are using a name that is not correct to your real life name. And how you can recover your account is, first of all, if you go to Google, what you need to do here is search for Facebook Help Center. Once you search for Facebook Help Center, you can click on the top link here, which is this one. Click on Help Center and then you'll be brought to this page here. And how can we help you? You need to search in this bar and you'll need to search for Recover Account. Once you search for Recover Account, as you can see, there is a lot of options here, and the one we need in today's video is my personal Facebook account is disabled. So if you click on this option, what it will do is it will bring you to here. And as you can see, as I mentioned at the start of the video, there is many reasons why your account may get disabled. So why is my account disabled? We are disabling Facebook accounts that might not follow Facebook terms, so if you do breach Facebook terms, they will disable your account. And some of the reasons why they might close your Facebook account are these here. So posting content that doesn't follow Facebook terms, using a fake name, impersonating someone, etc, etc. So what can I do if my Facebook account has been disabled? What you can do is, if you think that your account was disabled by mistake, you can use this form here to request a review of the Facebook account. If you click on this here, what it will do is it will bring you over to this section, and the first thing you need to do is enter in your login email in this section here, or you can also use your mobile number if that is easier. So once you've entered in your email address, you will need to enter in your full name. So what this means is you will need to enter in the name which is on the account, and now you need to attach a photo of your ID. Once you have entered in all of this information, what it will do is it will be sent to Facebook for Facebook to review, and if they feel that your account should be reinstated, it will be reinstated, and it can take, up to a couple of days to a couple of weeks. All you simply need to do is just wait until Facebook do get back in touch with you, letting you know whether they have granted you access back to your account. So that's the only way you can get your disabled account back on Facebook, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.